Welcome everybody to Carol's art room. I'm Carol, and in today's video I'm going to do a dip, and it's inspired by Fiona. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two canvases with paint on one, put them together and pull them apart and create something really pretty. So stick around. Coming up. Hi everybody. I'm going to do a little dip that I saw Fiona do, Fiona Art. Let's see how it goes. So welcome to my art room. Glad you came by. So what you do, I've never done this before, so this is new for me. Some paint on your canvases, two you need. I'm going to get a tray to drip in. Spread it around. So she spreads spread white paint around, or whatever color you want, I guess. I'm using white today. This one has too much. I'm not even sure if this is too thin, but we'll find out. I think it should be a little on the thicker side. I made my paints a little on the thicker side. Okay, that one looks okay, I think. So I'm using some Deco Art Americana tube paint tonight. So I'm using a cobalt turquoise, quinacridone magenta, yellow, and some pale gold. Okay, I'm gonna get this out of the way. So what you do is you take your colors and you drizzle them on one canvas, just on the top half. This is just, these paints are just mixed with Floetrol. See, they're thick, they leave a big mound. All right, so then some gold. The magenta. I think she put quite a lot of paint. And this is a dark yellow. I didn't mean to put it here. Yeah, I'll drizzle a little more gold. I'm going to put some of the white on. This is a Rust-Oleum Pearl White. It's mixed with my bloom mixture because I didn't have any mixed with Floetrol, so may as well use this. A little bit more of this, and I think I'm going to try it. That green is buried down there. I might just drizzle a little bit here. All right, let's give this a try. So it's going to be a little tricky, I think. So you take the canvases. I'm trying to remember if her one canvas actually had more than the other one, so I'm just debating whether I should take a little bit of this off. I'm just spreading it with my silicone brush. So you put it on top like that. I gotta remember where the top is. That's the top. She tries to squeeze them together like this. And then what you do is you just pull it apart slowly. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh. Now this, I think, My paints were a little bit, well, my base was a little runnier. So I think, that's pretty good so far. I think maybe I would just make my base a little thicker next time. She has some like this that she did on tiles. The paint went all the way down, but she also had some where it stopped halfway. So maybe I didn't need as much paint either. But I think it turned out so pretty. They look like trees. I love it. Oh, I think I found something that I really like. Thank you, Fiona. Those are very pretty. Well, have a good day, everybody. Oh, let me torch it just a second. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there's paint everywhere. I wanted to make sure that there was no spots missing. I'm not going to pick them up right now, but let me see if I can zoom you down a bit. I'll hold it up. There, isn't that pretty? There, this is my quick little video for tonight, and now I can there. Okay, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Look at these. Aren't they so pretty? This is my double dip. Dried really nice. Smooth, shiny. Pretty colors. One color stays on one side and the other color comes to the other side. I think that's probably the top color. After I pulled them apart, one color comes off. So nice, I like it. I'm gonna have to try some more of these. All right. There you go. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Have a good day and click the link above for more.